Hello students, today you're going to take Cornell notes on polymers. Go ahead and set up your notebook with a title, and then this is the kind of video you write an advanced question and a summary, not the picture one. But I will show you pictures to try to help explain things. Once you're ready, let's begin. Alright, number one, write polymers. Polymers are very large molecules made of chains, and they're repeating chains of smaller molecules that are bonded together. Polymers are very important in science because they make up a lot of the stuff that we use every day. Everything from plastics to clothing. Within ourselves, even our nails and hair are made of polymers. For number one, the question you can write is what is a polymer? Go ahead and write that down and pause it if you need a minute. Alright, let's move on. In this picture, you can see the polymer as a chain. So polymers are very long chains of repeating sequences. For number two, polymers can usually be divided into two kinds. So go ahead and write two kinds. Underline it if you want. Synthetic, which means that they're man-made, or natural polymers. That means they happen in nature. Go ahead and think of a question for two, and then we'll move on to number three. Right? Let's talk about synthetic and natural more in depth. So let's talk about natural polymers first. Your nails, your hair, those are just two examples of natural polymers that happen, and they're made of these chains called amino acids. So here's a picture. For example, the hard material that makes up your nail or your hair. Here's actually more of a picture of the actual amino acid polymer, but they're made of chains of atoms or molecules that are linked together to make the strands of hair or to make the bed of the nail or the nail itself. All right, go ahead and come up with a question for three. And then let's move on to number four. Ready? Alright, for number four, the last idea for today, are plastics, such as plastic bags, sweaters. A lot of these materials made of usually fossil fuels are also example of polymers. Polyester, which is sometimes what shirts or sweaters are made out of, that's a synthetic polymer. For example, this shirt right here, a football shirt or basketball shirts, usually they have that shiny quality to them. They're very light, they wick away water, and they're made of molecules called polymers, which have repeating patterns. And it gives them a lot of properties that are moisture wicking. That means they get rid of water, and they're also very stretchy, as it tells you right here, has a polymer elastane. So polymers that are synthetic are all around us. Alright, go ahead and come up with your question for four, and don't forget your summary and advanced question. Remember, the advanced question is worth the most points. Alright, move on to the next step. Have a great day.